Okay guys, welcome to the Catfish kitchen. As you can see, it's a little windy and we're cooking with wood. Actually, the plan is to cook with tree bark. Ooh, that's a little warm. This is a piece of tree bark. Let's see how thick that is. Got a bucket full of it. We're making soup. I want it to be kind of low and slow, but I want to get the water boiling first. So, here's my pot. What I got here is pork knuckle bones. I have shown these before. I buy them for the dogs. I cook them for the dogs. But today we're going to take this, cook it low and slow, and make basically a bone broth, and then turn it into a vegetable soup. Got quite a lot. The dogs will be happy. They like soup too, and bones. Like I say, I get this to a boil or close to it, and then back the heat down and simmer for an hour plus before I even put anything else in. I will salt the water now. Won't take long to get this to a boil with this much fire. And like I say, I'll back it down then. Might be a little harder to control with the wind gusts that we're getting, but you know, that's the fun of cooking with wood. And it's soup. Kind of hard to burn soup, so should be fine. Alright, I'll be back. I think we're boiling. Lifted cover right off. That looks cool, don't it? You see this? It's like the scum, you know? It's nasty stuff. I'm going to keep skimming that off. Don't have to. Nothing wrong with it. I will make her pretty anyway. This is what the bones look like now. I'll leave this open a bit. And let's eat from now on. And there she is, slowly doing her thing. When that last little bit of wood is gone, we'll just be using the bark. That should work. If not, we can go to charcoal. I got lots of charcoal, so charcoal's a good way to simmer. A lot easier to control than wood is. So we'll give it about an hour from here. Okay, it's time for vegetables. It's been close to an hour and a half, I guess. You can see it's simmering away nicely. It's been easy to control the fire. This tree bark was a good idea. I have a lot of vegetables, maybe too many for my pot. I'll try and get them in there. Carrot, cabbage. I have a broccoli stem and some onion. I do plan on putting elbow macaroni in here just a little bit, but that won't be till right at the end. Now the fun part is get all this down. Big room. It'll fit in between the bones, because you know there's a lot of bones in here. The broth is looking good. I did taste it. It needs seasoning. It needs a lot of seasoning. Started with some black pepper. Some more salt. I'm gonna put some chili powder, but not a lot. Not to make it spicy, just to add some nice flavor. continue simmering this until the vegetables are done. I don't know if you can see that. You see how the bone marrow is gone out of there? They're mostly gone out of there. That's what's making it good. That's the good stuff. Okay, let's cook some more. Okay, it's looking pretty good, tasting pretty good. Got a couple more things I want to put in. Some tomato here. Don't normally add tomato, I use tomato soup or something like that. My frozen green onions. And about a cup elbow macaroni. And when the macaroni's done, soup's done. Tell you what, she's looking good. Huh? Oh yeah. Time for a taste test. The best part. How do you think, Leo? Ooh, that's hot. Looks nice. Tastes nice. Can taste the chili a lot more than I expected. Might have been a little heavy-handed. Can taste the smoke, huh? What a difference cooking with wood does, you know. You can taste that smoke. It's like cooking with a campfire, you know. That is delicious. Of course, the flies got to show up. Don't take them long. You know it's good if the flies are here. Oh, there comes another dog. There's some pork. Oh yeah. So good. It's the best soup I've made in a long time. That tree bark worked really good. It's like cooking with charcoal. Really easy to control. I don't know what kind of tree it was. Some kind of hardwood. I will be using it more if I can get it. I only used one piece. That was it. These Thai cook stoves, you know, they use so little wood, it's unreal. Oh, this is so good. Alright guys, there it is. Homemade soup, cooked outside. I used whatever was in the fridge. The fridge cleaner soup. Look at that. We'll be eating good today and tomorrow. There we go. I think I should have cut my tomato smaller. Oh well, live and learn. It does add a nice flavor though. Where's my broccoli stem? Just simmered like that, you know, for a long time. The vegetables don't get mushy. Even the onion is still distinguishable pieces, even though it was in there for like more than 2 hours. And the total cook time is 3.5 hours. I used one piece just like that to cook it with. That was it. I have plenty. I got the first bone, first little piece of bone. Man, this is good. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Go cook yourself some soup. Clean out the fridge and make a big pot of soup. It's a good deal.